Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix the Valorant error code ban 79. Well, this is very simple. There are two steps. The first one is going to the Windows R key, and here you have to write the next prompt services.msc, and once you are in the windows that will appear, you have to look for the next program service. You have to find the BGC service, and in this option you have to press automatic. Then you press start, press accept, and the next step is to go here, write CMD and start as an administrator. Press yes, and here you have to write net winsock reset. Okay, so now you have to write ipconfig flash DNS, and now you have to restart your computer and you will be able to play Valorant without any problem. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in the next time. Goodbye and easy way.